Okay, so all you have to do is come here, copy your affiliate link like that, paste it on a site like this, and you can literally start to generate income every single day like clockwork. Look, if you want to learn exactly how you can promote affiliate links for free online to make 10K or more a month, even if you're totally brand new, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple 5-minute free traffic method you can use to promote affiliate links in any niche you want. I'm literally going to share every single step, and all of this can result in you making $10,000 or more a month. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's dive in to the very first step of today's training. Okay, so we need to find a product to promote. And in this video, we're going to use Digistore 24. So all you have to do is go to Digistore 24. Now this is a massive affiliate marketplace that you can join for free to find products in tons of different niches. All you have to do is go up here where it says get started and go ahead and click there. Now you'll get taken to the sign up page. You want to create a username, put in your email address, create a password, and then you want to click right here where it says I'm an affiliate, because you're going to become an affiliate for Digistore 24. Click that you've read the terms right there and just click continue to finish signing up. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, you want to go to this top tab where it says marketplace, and you want to click there and you'll see all these different products listed. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to be promoting products in the make money online niche. So just go over here where it says product categories, and we want to click on digital products, because these are one of the easiest products to sell since people can purchase and get access instantly. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on online marketing and e-business. Now, once you do that, it's going to list all these different products. So each of these right here are different products that you can actually choose to promote. So I like to sort by popularity. You can sort by earnings per sale, things like that. But if you sort by popularity, chances are a lot of the best-selling products are going to be at the very top, because you know that they're very popular and other affiliates are promoting them. Now, this one right here, you can see when you look at the right side, the earnings per sale on average is $835, okay, which is absolutely incredible. What you want to look for when it comes to Digistore 24 is the most popular products with the highest earnings per sale. You can see this one right here only has $12, okay? So you can make a ton of these sales even though they're popular, but you're still only gonna make $12 per sale, which is gonna take a ton of sales. So for the sake of this video, we could literally just promote this one right here. And then all you have to do to get your affiliate link is click promote now. And then this right here is your affiliate link, okay? So you wanna copy that, you can put it in a notepad file, keep it handy, because this is what we want to get people to go to. By the way, if you were wondering how I actually set all this up, you can grab my free toolkit below. It's the exact funnel and tools I use to earn $300 or more a day with affiliate marketing, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Okay, so now I want to share with you an incredibly easy free method to get tons of traffic. So if you don't know how Quora works, basically it's a question and answer site. So people ask questions in all different types of topics, and then people also answer those questions. So what we're going to do is go to Quora, and if you don't have an account, just go ahead and create a free account. It takes just a few minutes. And once you're inside, what you want to do is think about what niche you're actually in, okay? So the riches are in the niches. You want to choose a niche, whether that is make money online, whether that's health and fitness. Now, for the sake of this, I'm going to share with you how to do it in the make money online niche. So the first thing you want to do is set up your profile, okay? So we want to go into our profile and we want to add a good profile photo here, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So we're going to actually answer people's questions, getting them to like us and trust us, and then ultimately lead them to our affiliate offer. So add a good warm profile photo here. You could put your name there, okay? Now, if you're in a specific niche and you've been studying it for a while, or even doing it for a while, you can say how long you've been doing it, okay? And then right here, we want to actually write a short paragraph qualifying ourselves on why our answers are legitimate, okay? So people want to know that when you answer these questions, they're coming from people that actually know what they're talking about. So I said right here, I've been full-time online for 10 years with affiliate marketing. I have knowledge in social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube,
and I share tips on how to get traffic, leads, and sales. You can model something like this. Of course, you don't want to lie. So even if you haven't been doing it that long, you can say, I've been studying how to make money online for 6 months or a month even, whatever it is. And then right here is how we're going to start getting traffic, okay? So we want to actually put in a call to action at the bottom of our description with the link to ideally a funnel if you're promoting a funnel, or if you don't have your own funnel, at bare minimum, an affiliate offer, okay, your affiliate link. We want to put that in our bio. With Quora, when you answer these questions, you can't actually direct link to an affiliate link. Your account may get banned, your answer will get taken down, but we can direct people to go to our bio and then click this link in our bio. So now once we've set up our profile, now let's go to the main page of Quora, and we want to search Quora for a few words that have to do with the niche and product we're promoting. So again, let's say we're doing make money online. So I can just type in make money online and I can search this, and this is going to list all the questions that have those keywords. Now, I like to filter by time. So I like to do, past month. So we're only seeing the most recent questions. So people will ideally see our answers. And so you can see this one right here. What should I know about making money online? What are some good ways of making money online? So what you can do is open up one of these questions, and we want to answer, okay, these questions. Now, what you can do is you can actually copy this question, and if you don't either know how to answer it or you don't want to write your answer, you can copy this. You can go to Google and you can just paste in that question and enter, okay? And when you search, scroll down and you're going to see right here that it says people also ask, okay? And these are going to be questions related. We want to find the closest one. So what's the best method to make money online? Click that, and it's going to list an answer that's curated from one of these articles. So you can actually just copy this right here, okay? Since this is related, you would choose the one that's most related, and then just go back to this question, click answer, and then you can paste in this answer here. Now, I could write a little paragraph at the top saying, if you're interested in learning the top ways, this is what I recommend. And you can actually list them like that, okay? Now, at the very bottom, this is very important. This is the call to action, okay? So we want to say something like, these methods work very well, but if you want my top way, go to the link in my profile. Okay, so basically we're leading with value. People are going to see this. They're going to know, like, and trust us. They're going to say, wow, this guy or gal is very helpful. Then they're going to read this and they're going to, oh, that's interesting, right? And then some of the people are going to go to our profile and then click the link and ultimately buy. So the last step is just click submit at the bottom right, and that was submitted. Now I recommend you answer at least 3 to 5 questions every single day, and over time you're going to notice your traffic start to dramatically increase because these answers stay up there forever. This method is incredibly powerful. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed learning this strategy. And if you want to take the shortcut and copy what's already working, be sure to grab the free toolkit below. It includes my funnel map, tools, and everything you need to start getting results. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.